hello. This is a bit of a silly song and we're going to be doing some silly faces. So can you warm up your face with me? We're going to be sticking our tongues out like this. Said the little green frog one day. Said the little green frog. Said the little green frog one day, and they all said ah. But we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go ah. This is a baby. 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 Oh no! Baby's crying! Baby's crying! Oh, baby's sad. Maybe baby wants some more milk. Do you want your bottle? This is baby's bottle. Do you want your bottle? Ah, baby wanted her bottle. More milk. Nom 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 nom. Ah, baby's all finished. Give baby a cuddle. Ah. Oh no! Baby's crying again. Maybe baby wants her dummy. Can you say dummy? Dummy. Yes, baby wanted her dummy. Ah, baby wanted her dummy. Baby's fallen asleep. Can you say shh? Don't wake up baby. Shh. Baby's asleep. Baby's asleep. Where's the sun? Can you see the sun anywhere? No. Can you shake your head? No. Come on, Mr. Sun. We need you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the trees. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. A ball, and it's got one of my favourite characters on it, Peppa Pig. This is a ball. I'm gonna throw my ball and catch my ball. Throw, catch, throw, catch, throw, catch. We're throwing and catching. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. 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 Can you high five? High five. High five. High five. Blow a kiss. Mwah. High five. I'm going to hide my ball under the blanket. My ball is hiding under the blanket. Let's take it off and see if we can find it. Take it off, take it off, take it off. There's my ball. Shall we put the blanket back on? Put it on, put it on, put it on. Now my ball is hiding. It's hiding under the blanket. Take it off. Jump into your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Here I have 10 colourful stacking cups. Let's stack them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? Uh-oh. 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 Can you say Uh-oh. 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 This is a car. This is a car. A car has 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels on my car. The car goes vroom vroom, vroom vroom, vroom vroom. The car is driving very slowly. Slowly, slowly. Now it's going very fast. Vroom. That was so fast. Vroom. One more time. Vroom. That was a very fast car. This is a bottle. Can you say bottle? Bottle, bottle, bottle. This is a dummy. This is a dummy. Dummy, dummy, dummy. Milk. This is milk. Can you say milk, milk, milk? More milk. Can you say more? More, 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 more milk. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 1, 2, 3 of thankfulness. One little thank you can go a long way, and one thank you kiss can make somebody's day. 2 strong arms to hug a friend so tight. 2 sparkling eyes are the precious gift of sight. 3 cheers for friends and everything they do. Sailing on adventures, we see the world anew. 4 pretty flowers show my thanks to you. 4 dainty butterflies make us grateful too. 5 shiny apples so juicy and sweet. 5 special thank yous for all the food we eat. 6 tiny seedlings are planted in a row. Remember to be thankful when they start to grow. 7 rainbow colours make our world so bright. Thank you for the colours on a soaring kite. 8 special friends will always stick together, appreciating friendship no matter what the weather. 9 chirping birds flap their feathered wings. 9 heartfelt thank yous for the songs they sing. 10 twinkly stars glittering with light remind us to be thankful as we say good night. Please subscribe for more videos.